What's going on, guys? Dann here, back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna be hanging out with my boy Harold, and I'm gonna be painting my calipers in this video as well. There we go. It's them boys.
Yo, what they do, bro?
My boy Harold.
Yo.
My boy Paul. Y'all seen Paul already.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is, and it's starting to rain. That's crazy. Yeah, but this is Harold's car. Nice little TSX. Yeah, actually in the process of swapping it to manual, like I am. Although he has a lot more stuff to get it done than I do. Let me see if I could show you guys. I'm gonna show him the transmission. Yeah, that boy already got transmission, the shifter box. Looks like that's the master or slave cylinder, one of the two. But yeah, he had clutch pedal. He has a lot more to get this swap done than I do. I honestly have nothing right now. But shit, can't wait to see this. Boy Harold making moves. Alright, so just picked up another part for Harold's build. We got, what's it called again?
The half shaft.
Got the half shaft. Make sure it fit for the TSX. Spin it, you can see it spins that over there as I'm spinning this, so everything fits in all the splines and stuff, so we're chilling. So now, what do you need left?
The half, no. God damn, run that shit back, bro. I fucked up, bro. It's the speed cluster. What else do I need, bro? The ECU and stage 2 clutch.
Okay, and then you'll be done. Then you can fully swap this.
Hell yeah.
Bad.
Run your car, not your mouth. Oh shit, bro.
That boy Harold leaving, and now that we are back at Mikasa, I'm gonna go ahead and get on to painting my calipers. I actually already painted one of my calipers. I'm gonna show you guys what I painted it before I go ahead and show you. I want to show you guys how it came out basically, and show you how I painted my calipers, because it came out pretty nice. If you can guess the color of the calipers, leave a comment down below what you think it is before I show you guys. Don't go ahead and skip the video or skip ahead. Just go ahead, comment down below your guesses, and tell me what you guys think I painted my caliper. Go ahead and show you guys what the caliper looked like before and how it came out after I finished painting them, or painting one of them. It came out pretty good. I'm so excited to finally like have some good looking painted calipers, because the ones I have on right now, they're pretty garbage, like especially like the colors, and then I don't know, they just look kind of bland and basic. Let me show you guys what these colors look like. Is the rear caliper. It's just a blue. They're all blue. They all came blue when I got the car, but this one caliper here is red. Now, why is it red? Well, this one is red because a while ago, like a long time ago, maybe like a couple months ago, that caliper actually failed on me, and it locked up, and I had to get rid of it. So I got a new caliper, but it was bare metal, so I had to paint it. I didn't have blue paint to match the other calipers, so I had red paint and I painted it red, so I have mismatching caliper colors. So yeah, I never tried repainting it afterwards or anything like that, just simply because of the fact, because I knew I was gonna get different calipers. But I don't really put much effort into painting now. I just painted it so that it wouldn't rust and seize up like the other one did. Not the other one seized it because of rust, but you know, just preventative stuff like that. But on to the new calipers. You guys already seen the new calipers. This one is the unpainted one. So this is how it looks before, and right next to it I have the new caliper. Well, not the new one, the painted caliper. Alright, ready for the reveal? In 3, 2, 1, bam. Yes sir. This is the color that I went with. I went with a teal caliper color. Why? Because of the idea that I have I want to repaint the car like a gray, like a gunmetal gray color, and I believe a teal and gray would look really nice. Just look at that. Can you imagine that, bro? Look at that, bro. I'm not gonna lie, this thing's pretty heavy, but yeah, that's the caliper. It's a teal. Came out pretty nice, pretty nice. I like the way it came out. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to doing that one to look like this one, so that they're both ready when it's time to put them on. Got the first coat of primer on. Oh, by the way, these are the paints I'm using. I'm using VHT. Let me see. There we go. I'm using VHT flame-proof primer. Then for the color, we got Duplicolor engine enamel. The exact color that I have is this Torque in Teal. So that's the color that I'm using from Duplicolor. And then for the clear coat, which is right over here, I'm using all VHT once again. I'm using their satin clear flame-proof paint. So yeah, these are the three colors or the three paints that I'm using to achieve what you guys just saw. And yeah, so I got the first coat of primer on. I have the pistons in the caliper covered with some tape, so paint doesn't get on them. I'm not too worried about this because this is the old wire from the car it used to be on, and this bolt is going to be replaced when I get my stainless steel, my steel braided brake lines. So I'm just leaving those on so I don't have to close off that hole, because it's already closed off from that bolt. But yeah, so I'm not going to show too much painting of just the primer. Probably show some painting while I'm doing the actual color, and then maybe some with the clear coat. But other than that, I'm not really going to show too much painting, because I mean, there's nothing really exciting about just painting calipers. It's exciting when you actually finish them. So yeah, I'll show some stuff of when I'm actually painting the color and the clear coat, but other than that, the primer isn't really too exciting to show. So yeah, I'm just skip forward to when I actually start putting the color on. Back from putting all the coats of primer on, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the actual color, which is the Torque and Teal that I got for these calipers. And yeah, we shall see how it turns out. I mean, we know how it's gonna turn out, but let's hope I can recreate it coming out that good again, because your boy something always gotta happen. But hopefully everything goes smoothly. So let's get into the time lapse of me putting on the paint for the caliper. Alright, so I got the every part of the caliper painted. Damn, my hair nappy as hell, boy. Basically, and now all I gotta do is put on the clear coat. Once the clear coat goes on, that'll basically be it. I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you guys the clear coat, how it looks after I finish putting it on, because I actually have to go somewhere. So if not today, I'll show you guys tomorrow how it looks after I apply the clear coat. The clear coat still looks pretty shiny. I guess it'll get shinier with the clear coat on it. But yeah, looks pretty nice. I'm so glad I went with this color, especially for the plans I have with the IS. I want to paint the whole car just like a gunmetal gray color, and we're still trying to get it started. Probably next video I will have it started, and I'll explain why, because I'm pretty sure she's ready to start now that I've went through the car and checked things and made sure everything was okay. She's ready to start, and I know she'll start next time I try her, but I'm not gonna do that right now. One, because parents sleeping. I don't want to disturb them and wake them up after coming home from work. And 2, because like I said, I have to do some stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys that tomorrow. And I'll show you guys the calipers. I'll show you guys me revealing like both the calipers together with a clear coat on, and I know you guys will be very pleased with how they come out. You already saw how the first one came out, so the second one should come out just as good, if not better, than the first one. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. So it is the next day. I actually finished clear coating these, or this one caliper, but I am almost done clear coating it. But it's basically looks just like the first one. It came out pretty good. I'll show you guys right now how it looks. Actually came out pretty freaking good. Like, I love the way it came out. You know, it has like this little, I don't know if you guys can see it, if the camera will focus, that'd be great. But yeah, it has like this little part like right there, like paint that came off from my little trash can stand onto there. But it doesn't really bother me. It's on the bottom of my caliper. I don't really see it. But look at that, man. Look at that, bro. That thing clean, boy. It has a little bit of orange peel, but you won't even notice that once it's on the car. Like, it came out really well. I am pretty happy with the results. So yeah, now I got both of these calipers painted. I'm just waiting for a couple more things to come in the mail before I can actually put them on. Once I get all that stuff in to put them on, like my adapters and stuff, and I gotta get the rotors and pads and all that stuff, and I gotta get a steel braided brake line, because if you don't and you put big brakes on, it won't really make a difference unless you have steel braided lines. Once I get all that stuff in, I'm gonna throw it around the IS300, and I am in the process of buying a really big part for the IS300, and it'll hopefully be here within, I'd say, like, hopefully within the next 2 to 3 videos. We could hope, but once it gets here, you guys, you'll see. It's gonna be a pretty big part I got for the IS300 coming in. Now, as for the Celica, I don't really have any plans for the Celica. I might actually sell a Celica, even though I haven't had it for that much longer. I got it for a pretty good price. I bought the Celica for a specific purpose, to be my daily car and to also use it for work and stuff. But I have a job now that I don't really need the Celica, even though it is nice to have. It's better on gas than the IS300 is. So there's that. But I might actually end up selling the Celica and getting something else, or just daily the IS300 again until I actually assemble everything that I need to do for the manual swap, which is, like I said, probably won't be in a little while. But until then, I might sell a Celica to just accelerate the process of getting the parts, sell it, use the money to buy the parts for the IS300 to get this up and running, or this manual swap up and running and get it going. But other than that, that's basically it. So painted the calipers, waiting for parts, and that's really all I'm waiting for now before I can throw these on. So hopefully next video I'll be able to throw these bad boys on, or I'll actually try diagnosing and starting the IS300 next video. So until then, I will see you guys in the next one. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you enjoyed the content, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Dann_Lex. I'll probably put it somewhere right here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Your boy's out.